Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this video is actually an update video for this very beautiful wig. Guys, it's been 5 months since I have actually owned this wig. So this is how the wig is looking like right now. I know the wig is looking somehow, but guys, that is why I am making this video. This video is actually sponsored by Geniuswigs. I have actually worked with Geniuswigs like twice now. So the video is sponsored by Geniuswigs, and I want to like show you guys that if you have a wig, you can actually like style your wig, maintain your wig for a very long time, especially this Genius wig. I've had this wig for like 5 months now, and this is how the wig is looking like. Guys, I actually wore this wig like yesterday or so. I've been wearing it for 5 months, not just me, like I and my sisters who have been wearing it for like 5 months, and this is how the wig is looking like. The wig is still in a very good shape. So this is the construction of the wig. It has 4 combs inside. The combs are still intact, and just look at the lace, guys. Like, I know that like there is still some lace glue on the wig. I am going to wash the wig and I will style the wig again, but this is how the wig is looking like. The wig, you can see that the knots are bleached, and then this is the hairline. I have not actually done anything other different than what I did in that previous video where I showed you guys how I installed the wig initially. But guys, this is the wig. Look at the hairline, everything is still intact, and guys, just look at how shiny this wig is. I have not even gone ahead to like style the wig, but this is how the wig is looking like. And it also has like elastic bands at the back. I think I still have the band thingy. I would attach it, and it also has this um you know strap that will help to secure your wig. So my wig is still in place after 5 months. And Genius Wigs, let me tell you guys, Genius Wigs, they have one of the best wigs. Like, I'm not even capping. Genius Wigs, their wigs are so quality. Like, the lace of their wig is so quality. Like, everything about Genius Wigs is just like 100%. I also have another Genius wig. I think I reviewed this wig about 2 months ago. I think about 2 months ago. I still have this wig. So guys, so this is the wig. I still have this wig, like, and this is how the wig is looking like. So I'm going to wash up this wig, and I'll style this wig again to show you guys how my wigs are holding up. So enough rambling, let's get into the video. So I'll wash up the wig, and style the wig again.
So guys, I washed my wigs with just normal tap water, not hot water. This is just normal tap water I used to wash my wig. I added my shampoo to the water and then I washed up my wig. You have to be very careful in order not to spoil the lace on your wig. So just be really gentle while washing your wigs. So guys, after washing your wig, you want to make sure you rinse your wig to get out the dirt and then the leftover shampoo, and then you have to like brush your wig and also add some conditioner. As you guys can see, I added some conditioner to my wig, and then I put the wig in a plastic bag. I also went ahead to brush the hair so the conditioner stays in the hair, and then I tied it up in a plastic bag. So guys, after tying up the wig in the plastic bag, you want your wig to be very conditioned, and after 20 minutes you want to make sure you rinse your wig, and then use a blow dryer to like blow dry your hair so it becomes dried. So that's basically what I did in this part of the video, and then I went ahead to style my wig.
place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.
So guys, this is the finished look of the hair. Guys, you can see that this hair is still giving after 5 good months. Guys, just look at how this hair is so beautiful. Look at the curls on this hair. And guys, I didn't want to use any got2b spray or use any glue. I wanted to like just do this wig glueless. So guys, this is how the wig is. I didn't even wear a wig cap under my wig. And see how this lace is blending with my skin. Guys, just look at how this lace is blending with my skin. You can see that it is giving scalp, and that is because Geniuswigs, their wigs always come pre-bleached and pre-plucked. I didn't pluck this hair, I didn't bleach the knots are already bleached, so it matches my skin pretty well. And like I said guys, I do not want to use any glue or spray. And guys, just see how this thing still blends with my skin even if I didn't use any glue. So what I did was just to like pull down the lace a little bit and, you know, take back some hair, put it at the back of my ears, and just like lightly press it down a little bit. Yeah guys, so this was what I did, and you can see that it's still giving. And because I didn't glue this side, you know, that is why I actually did the side part, so you can like, you know, bring your curls a little bit to the front so as to hide the side that you didn't glue. And also for this side, you know, you can just press it down a little bit. But I would advise you, if you are going out, you're going to be out for too long, this method is not going to work. This is just what I just wanted to do today to show you guys that this wig, you can wear it glueless. You can even spray just, you know, your got2b on this side of the hair, just so it stays down a little bit. And you can go out like this. I wanted to do baby hairs, but I don't think there's any need for baby hairs. This hair is absolutely beautiful. This hair is gorgeous. It is still giving after 5 months. And guys, you can see the pattern. It has like a deep pattern, so you can style this wig in so many different ways if you want to. But yeah guys, this wig is the bomb.com. So I'm also going to like style the kinky wig. I am not done styling the kinky wig, so when I'm done styling the kinky wig, I'll come here and I will show you guys what the kinky wig is also giving. But this wig is giving, so it's very easy to put on. Guys, just see how it's, guys, can you see how it's like matches with my skin? Like, can you see how this wig is still giving after 5 good months? You can see that this lace is still blending with my skin. Guys, remember, I didn't actually like use an actual glue on my hair. I didn't use any blow dryer. Guys, let me take off this wig and put it back on. Guys, see, this band thingy is very, very important in your wig. Like this thing, like that is why I love Geniuswigs. Honestly, they try, like their wigs are always good and always quality. Like this band is what, like, you know, make the wig to stay in place on my head. You know, you can, it has like so many, it has like this strap thing, like just like your bra. It really, really helps, like in case you have a small head. If you have a bigger head, you know, you can put the hook close to the end. And I also use this one too. So this is what actually made my wig to stay in place. I used the 2 of them. So I'm going to put on the wig again and show you guys, because I love this wig and I love how this wig is still giving after so long. It's still giving. Guys, can you see? I've not even like put it well on my head, but you can see that it's already blending. So I just take it back a little bit and, you know, pull down this side and see. Very easy, and it works every time. Like since I got this wig, I have never, you know, glued it down. This is just always what I do. I just put on my wig, use the band. It helps my wig to stay in place. And yeah guys, so I'm so happy. So guys, let's go into styling the kinky wig.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
So let's take off this wig and let us try on this other kinky wig. I'm just going to take off this band, this elastic band from this wig, and I'm going to put it on this other wig, because like I said, Genius Wigs, their wigs always come with this elastic band that will really help your wig to stay in place. So I'm just going to put on this kinky wig and show you guys what it is giving. So guys, this is the kinky wig, also from Genius Wigs, and you can see that this wig also this wig is also matching with my skin. Guys, can you see how this wig is giving scalp? Like, can you see how this wig is giving scalp? This wig completely matched my skin tone, as you can see. I'm just going to try to add some waves to the hair. But yeah guys, this wig is like my hair. Guys, can you see how this wig is looking like my hair? And the wig is firmly secured on my head, so I do not need to use any glue. You can use glue for the sides if you want to. Guys, can you see how this wig is giving scalp? Genius Wigs, like, their wigs are always top quality, top notch. Their wigs are good. Genius Wigs, they are good. If you want to, you can spray. I think I'll just spray. Oh my god, I think I'll just spray the edges just so it lays down. I'll just spray the edges. Just also spray the edges here just so it lays down. Okay. So guys, this is the finished look of the hair. I decided to add some curliness to the hair, and to be honest, I can't find the curls anymore on the hair, but you can curl it if you want to. You can also braid up the hair because it has a very, very deep pattern space, so you can braid up the hair. I'm going to put the link in my description box to how I initially styled this hair and the other hair, so everything is going to be in my description box. So guys, this is the finished look of the hair. Genius Wigs, thank you guys so much for always sending me your beautiful wigs. Your wigs are absolutely beautiful. I love them. And guys, please make sure you purchase your wig from Genius Wig today. Make sure you buy a Genius Wig. Every girl needs a Genius Wig, because Genius Wigs, their wigs are absolutely beautiful. And you are just going to need a Genius Wig. Just look at this one I'm putting on. This one is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you did enjoy this video, then please guys, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.